Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to add fade in and fade out in Adobe Premiere Pro, so your video and audio start and end smoothly. Open your project and make sure your clip is already on the timeline. Let's start with video fade. Go to the Effects panel. In the search box, type Cross Dissolve. Under Video Transitions, find Cross Dissolve. Click and drag Cross Dissolve to the beginning of your video clip. This creates a fade in from black. Drag Cross Dissolve to the end of the clip to create a fade out. Now let's fade audio. In the Effects panel search box, type Constant Power. Under Audio Transitions, find Constant Power. Drag it to the beginning of the audio clip for fade in. Drag it to the end of the audio clip for fade out. Fade in and fade out make your edits sound and look more professional. You can adjust the fade length by dragging the transition edges. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.